So we asked about pepper. When it grows and you have harvested, then it starts to look like it's been burnt with fire. When pepper starts to age, it has aged. There is nothing you can do about it. When it has aged, it will no longer be producing fruits for you. How long does it take for pepper to age? Now, when you plant pepper, from the time you plant your nursery bed, because the nursery bed will take 2 months. From the bed, when you plant in the main garden, give it 2 more months. Then you will start harvesting. That is in total 4 months from planting to harvesting. If you planted pepper in the month of October, when you start to harvest, you will harvest until the next year, October. But if it wasn't for these many diseases that we have these days, those days you would harvest for 2 years. You would be harvesting pepper. But now there are so many diseases and that is no longer possible. So because of that, now it is reduced to 1 year. Now if your plantation reaches that 1 year and you still continue to put money in that plantation, you will lose your money because it will no longer produce for you.